are here in Schaumburg, Illinois. It is the Chicagoland Fishing, Travel, and Outdoor Expo. We are at a great booth actually here, one that you can use this product in a lot of different ways. I love that. So, line cutters. Darren Green, tell us a little bit about yourself and what line cutters are.
All right, so my name's Darren. I'm the director of sales for our company called Line Cutterz. We invented products that are going to cut all of your fishing line. We started out with a simple idea of a ring that can be worn or mounted anywhere from a boat rail, kayak seat. The cool thing is you can even put it on the back side of your rod. So you will never have to carry a knife, fingernail clippers, or scissors ever again.
Ever again.
And the cool thing about it is you can take monoline, even a braided fishing line. Here's 40 pounds of braided line. You bring that through on any of our products, and you will get a clean cut every single time. Now, to get really crazy, here's a 150-pound braided fishing line. You can pull your boat around if you ever run out of gas. And again, it's like a hot knife through butter. So now we have gone from our ring application all the way down to a flat mount. So this will be standard on boats, kayaks, tackle boxes, and even clothing lines are going to be mounting our products right in their stuff. We now have what we call a zipper pull. This will attach to any bibs, jackets, literally a zinger, fishing trunks, I mean you name it, anywhere you have a zipper. This will cut mono floral braid, lead core like a hot knife through butter. And it'll never cut your skin, so it's completely safe.
One of the nice things that I actually like about this zipper pull is I put it on my bibs for winter. There's a really great texture on that zipper pull, so even if you have your hands in your mittens, in your gloves, it adds a really great grip that makes your gear really user-friendly. But the other thing about that is it's not something that's going to get stuck or rip or anything of your product. So even though it is able to cut all of these different lines as thick as you possibly have, it's something that's going to be very user-friendly and safe. So if you have kids on your boat, if you have pets on your boat, I have a dog that runs around like a maniac, and this is something that's just simply never going to get in the way.
Right, absolutely. And with the flat mounts too, for the Midwest people, you can put it on top of your Vexilar. So why take off your gloves to cut any of your fishing line or change out a jig when you can have it right on your flasher?
So between the ring and the mount and the zipper pull, there's really nowhere that you can't have one of these. So no matter where you're at fishing or what kind of angling adventure you're on, this is something that's going to be practical. For people who are at the show today or can come down here, definitely come and check them out. Try it out. You will not believe how easy it is to use. But for people who are not here today, where do they find Line Cutters?
So you'll be able to find us online, www.linecutters.com. You can look at our Instagram pages. You can order from that as well. All of our stuff will be on here. Local tackle shops, a lot will have them. You'll start seeing us in a lot of the big box stores as well. We always say shop small. We offer way more colors than you're ever going to see. So that's a big thing too. If you were to go into your local Cabela's, they're going to have black. We have pink, glow in the dark, orange. I mean, we have all the color combinations. The other cool thing too is we work with a lot of main manufacturer companies that we can, watch me not be able to find it, but for companies we can do logos. So we've done them for Skeeter, Ranger, 3M, a lot of tackle shops, guide services. So it's a promotional item for you as well, and it's something you're going to give your clients every time that they're on the boat or in your ice shanty even. So that's a really good way for wholesaling and to get people to come to your shop to offer our products.
Awesome. So definitely come down to the show, check them out, or otherwise check them out online. I know that there's tons of even videos of people using in all different applications, so even way beyond fishing. And if you find a cool use, definitely make sure to let them know.
Yes, we love to see it. We have saltwater captains that would cut off our Velcro and add a zip tie because they have really big T-tops on their saltwater boats. We did not think of this. It was them sending us pictures. We now have a sister company called Cutterz. It works in the knitting and sewing industry. And again, that was one of our customers saying she was using our rings to cut her thread and her yarn. We didn't think of that. Now we have a second company called Cutterz. Mind blown. We'll mount these on our boats. They mount them on their sewing machines, long arm. You can take anything on a plane. So you give us an idea, we'll run with it.
You can travel with with it. That's
You
an
can
awesome
travel
idea.
with it. They're all completely safe. So that's awesome.
Cool. So come down, check them out, or remind us the website one more time.
www.linecutterswithaz.com.
Awesome. So we'll see you there, or we'll see you out fishing.